In this video, you'll learn how to integrate PayPal using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functioning Node.js Express application set up with PayPal integration for processing payments. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. In the PowerShell window, create a new directory for your project by typing mkdir PayPal AP and pressing enter. After that, navigate into the newly created directory by using the command cdt PayPal AP. This sets the context for your project. Next, initialize a new Node.js project by executing npm-init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings. Following this, install the required packages by entering npm install express.bat PayPal/checkout server steed. This will allow you to use Express for your server and manage environment variables securely. Now, create a div file to store your PayPal _selling_ID =, your _client _ID, 10 to set your client ID in the file. Then add your client secret by typing echo PayPal _secret =, your _client _secret camlo _modern sandbox. NN. These commands ensure that your sensitive information is kept secure. After setting up your environment, open Claude CLI by typing Claude in your terminal. Upon successful execution, you should see a prompt that reads Claude. This indicates that you are now in the interactive command line interface where you can communicate with Claude. Once in the Claude CLI, you can proceed to give Claude a simple instruction. Type or paste one command at a time for optimal performance. Start with create a minimal Node.js Express project with PayPal integration. Next, instruct Claude to create srserver.js with express server.tovond config JSON middleware and a post/create order endpoint using a PayPal/. Finally, specify that the server should listen on port 3000. This approach helps Claude to create the necessary folder and file structure within your project. To exit the Claude CLI, simply type exit and press enter. Following this, you are ready to run your server. In the terminal, enter node src/server.js. This command will start your server, which will be listening on port 3000, making it ready to accept requests. To test the PayPal endpoint, use the curl command. Type curl-x post 8 create order -h content type application /JSON -d Peli amount 10.00 currency USD into your terminal. Upon successful execution, you should receive a JSON response containing the order ID and links for payment approval. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.